Hi everyone and welcome back to Dev Portal. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the access modifiers in Java. Access modifiers control the visibility of classes, methods and the variables. They are crucial for implementing encapsulation and securing our Java structure. First, let's discuss about the definition. Access modifier in Java are the keywords that determine the accessibility or scope of a class, constructor, method or a data member. In Java, we have 4 access modifier: private, default, protected and public. First, let's discuss about the private access modifier. So, the private access modifier restrict the access to the class in which it is defined. Private members cannot be accessed from outside the class. Let me show you an example to understand in a better way. So, what we will do inside this file, we will create one class as user, class user, and the attributes and the method that we will create, that will be the private, and we will see it will generate the error while accessing those method from outside this class. So private string name, that will be the attribute. Let me create constructor as well, public user, and it will take one argument, string name. This name value I will assign to name attribute, and I will create two method. One will be the public, one will be the private. First, let me create public method, public void display name. Suppose this is the method name, and I will add sysout statement, name colon plus name. Same way I will create one private method, private void, suppose print name, and same sysout statement I will add name plus name. Now what I will do, I will try to access both the methods from main method. So let me create the user object first. Obj is equal to new user, and it will take one argument abc, let me give, and obj dot display name. Let me save and run, and you can see in the console it is printing name abc. Now suppose if I change the method call from display name to print name, then it will say it is not able to identify this method in this class. You can see it is saying the method print name from the type user is not visible. Why? Because the access modifier that we have provided is private, so the visibility of this method is not applicable outside this class. This is the private access modifier. Now let's discuss about the default access modifier. So when no access modifier is specified in your Java code, it is known as default. It allow access within the same package only. So let's see that example as well. So we will go to the product class. In product class I will create one attribute, and that attribute access modifier I will not define. So it will be the string product name. Suppose this is the attribute name, and let me create one method as well to print this value, void display product, suppose product, and I will add sysout statement product. I will print the, okay, let me correct the spelling, product name. Okay, so here both attributes and method which we have created, there is no access modifier specified, so it is default, and default we can only able to access within the package. So package, you can see it is demo.access modifier. So the product class is defined under this package. Now what I will do, I will go to the main method, main class, and this class is present in some other package, com.devportal, and we will try to access the product method from this main method. So let me create the object first, product obj is equal to new product. Let me save, let me import So import is also done. Now I will try to access this obj dot, what will be the method name, display product. Let me copy, let me paste it here, and we will see what error it is generating. So you can see unresolved compilation problem. The method display product from the type product is not visible. If we try to access the same method in the same package, then we can see it will work fine. So let me copy, let me go to the main class again, and this main class is defined under demo.access modifier package. In the same package, product class is also defined. Now what I will do, in main method I will change the code. Let me save and run, and you can see product null, as we haven't defined any value to the name. Let me do that. obj dot product name equal to, suppose, alias I have given. Let me save and run it again, and you can see it is printing product alias. So in this case, the product name variable and display product method are accessible within the same package but not outside of it. This is the default access modifier. Now let's discuss about the protected access modifier. The protected access modifier allow access within the same package and subclasses even if they are in different package. Let me show you how. So let me go to the employee class. First let me remove this code. Okay, let me go to the employee class. What we will do, under this employee class we will create one attribute that will be the protected string. Suppose employee name is the attribute name, and we will create one method as well, protected void display employee. This is the method name, and what we will do, we will add sysout statement, and we will print the employee name here, employee colon employee name. So both attributes and method are protected. Now we will go to the manager class, and this manager class is extended the employee class, and we will try to access the employee class method here from the manager class. So let me create method public void display manager, and what I will do, first let me assign the value employee name equal to, suppose, alias I have given, and then I will call display employee method here. That's it. Now we will see how we will be able to access this method from the different package. Still it will not give us any error. As you can see, it is in com.devPortal package, and employee class is defined under dev.access modifier. So if I create one main method here, first let me see if any main method is already present. Okay, so we can use this main method. So let me create employee object here, not employee manager object here, manager obj is equal to new manager, and let me call obj.display manager and run, and you can see it is printing employee alias. Let me change the name. If I give knuckle, save, run, you can see it is printing employee knuckle. Here the employee and display employee, let me go to the class. Employee and display employee both are protected, and accessibility to this subclass manager, even though it is in different class, still we are able to access it. This is about the protected access modifier. Now let's go to the public. The public access modifier allow access from anywhere within the class, package, subclass, or even outside the package. So let me show you that example as well. Let me go to the car class. inside this car class we will create public string model, and we will create one method public void display model and we will add sysout statement car model will be the model name. That's it. Now what I will do, I will go to the main class again. I will create object of car class here, car obj is equal to new car, and I will assign the value obj dot model will be the, suppose I am giving Tesla model S, and let me call obj dot display model. We will run this code and you can see it is printing Tesla model S, car model. Since the model and display model are public, we can be able to access from anywhere in the application. If we talk about the summary, private allow us only within the class, default only within the same package. If we talk about protected, within the same package and subclasses, and public is accessible from anywhere. In today's tutorial, we have learned about the 4 main access modifier in Java: private, default, protected and public. Each modifier has its own scope and accessibility, which play a crucial role in securing and organizing our Java code. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Java tutorials. Until next time, happy coding.